Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you can do in order to promote your ebook is to put it into another format. And Kindle makes it very easy to do that. All you'll need to do is to come into your book detail area, and you're going to notice that there is a link here that says Create Paperback. And you're going to click this link. And all of the other information should be the exact same as it is in your Kindle book. Once you've verified all the information, you'll then click Save and Continue. Amazon will then assign you a free KDP ISBN number, which you will use on your paperback. You can also determine a publication date for the release, and then you'll determine how you want your book to be printed. And typically, they're going to give you the options in the default settings that are going to be most common. Now, in order to go forward, you are going to need to upload your paperback manuscript, as well as the fact that you're going to need to create another cover or use a version of a cover that you already have. Once you do those things, you're then going to click Save and Continue. Now, one thing you'll want to note here is that because you're going to have to re-upload your manuscript, you're going to want to download a template so that you'll be able to get your content into the template and upload it as a manuscript. Now, to upload the manuscript, you're going to have 4 file types available to you: doc file, docx, an HTML file, and then a rich text file, which is basically another form of the doc file. Now, in terms of the cover creator, one thing that you're going to want to take note of is that you're going to be doing a cover that's going to have a front and back to it. So for example, let's go ahead and click the cover creator. So you'll see that as you design your cover, you're going to be designing a front and back end of the cover. So if you should choose to have one designed, you will want to make sure that it's going to be unlike the Kindle cover in that it's going to need to have enough content on it so that you'll be able to do a front and back cover. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.